Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage team projects with Monday.com, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin managing team projects with Monday.com, visit the website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the registration prompts. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. To create a new project, locate that Add button on the top left corner of the screen. Click on New Board to start a fresh project. Name your board according to the project you're managing. Choose a suitable template if you prefer a structured setup, or start from scratch. After your board is created, you'll see different columns by default. Modify these columns to fit your project needs, such as adding status, deadlines, or assign team members. To add a new item to your project, click on the plus Add Item button. Fill in the item details, specifying tasks or deliverables for your team. You can assign team members to each task by clicking on the People column. To set deadlines, navigate to the Date column and select the appropriate due date. If you want to track progress, use the Status column to indicate the task's current state. Every time a task changes status, update it to keep everyone informed. To communicate within tasks, utilize the Updates section by clicking on a task to open its details. Here, team members can add comments, share files, or ask questions. To view your project timeline, switch to the timeline view for a visual representation of task durations. This allows you to see overlapping tasks and better manage your project timeline. Utilize the dashboard feature for a high-level overview of project progress. You can create widgets to show metrics like completed tasks and upcoming deadlines. As your project progresses, regularly check in with your team and update statuses. Using Monday.com's notifications, keep your team informed about changes and updates efficiently. To wrap up, review your board regularly to ensure that all tasks are on track. Monitor workloads and redistribute tasks as needed to avoid bottlenecks. Congratulations, you are now ready to manage your team projects effectively with Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.